Hello everyone, welcome back to Science from Home. My name is Molly and I'm a librarian with Spokane County Library District. I will be your host today. Today's topic is gravity. For today's experiment, you need a glass and a bunch of Mardi Gras beads. I got my Mardi Gras beads at the dollar store, and I bought a couple of necklace chains, and conveniently they come apart. They're only held together with this little plastic clasp. So I took all the chains apart and then I chained all of the necklaces together into a really long chain. I have 35 feet of Mardi Gras beads here in one long chain. Okay, your next step is, once you get your long chain, you want to layer them in a glass in kind of like a circular fashion. You don't want the beads to get caught together or bunched up. So if you put them in the jar, if you just dump them in the jar, that could happen. But if you put them in the jar in a kind of circular way, you should be fine. And then the next step is to just let gravity do its thing. So I'm gonna take the one tail end here, and I'm just gonna let it hang down. So what are we seeing? We are watching gravity do its thing. I've mentioned this really smart man named Isaac Newton before. He has 3 laws of motion, but he also has Newton's universal law of gravity. And his law of gravity states that every particle attracts every other particle in the universe with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. Sounds complicated. What does that mean for us? First, it means that everything that has a mass, that means that everything that has like a physical body, you, me, things that you can touch, everything that has mass has or is affected by gravity. And everything that has mass has its own gravitational pull and wants to attract other objects to it. So why then don't things or objects move toward my gravitational pull when I walk by? So these beads are smaller than I am. I have more mass. Why don't the beads, why aren't they not attracted toward me? Well, it turns out that size matters. Bigger things have a stronger gravitational pull. And the biggest thing around us is the Earth. The Earth is bigger than you, me, these beads, my house, a skyscraper downtown. The Earth is huge, so it has a much bigger gravitational pull than anything else. So in the end, the Mardi Gras beads, they're being pulled out of the cup down toward the Earth. And that's also how you and I stay on the Earth and not float away. The gravitational pull, the Earth's gravitational pull is pulling on me, so I stay on the ground, but I'm also inversely pulling back at it. But I'm just a lot smaller, so it wins and I stay on the ground. I don't float away into space. and I don't attract objects toward me with my own gravitational pull because the Earth's is so big, it kind of trumps everything around it. And that's all I have for you today, folks. I hope you enjoyed Science from Home. We'll see you another time.